Aline and I have been dating long enough that this topic has finally come up.
Marriage. Should we do it?
To no one's surprise, we disagree. I like marriage.
And I don't see the point of it.
Marriage is the final step in life. It's a way to tell your partner and the world that I have chosen you and no one else.
Marriage is just a piece of paper, and I can commit to someone without a piece of paper.
It is. But it's also a piece of paper that means a lot to many people.
We can still have a wedding without a marriage. Marriage is just an antiquated tradition.
As you can tell, this debate can go forever because Aline and I will not agree on marriage anytime soon. But we both agree that we shouldn't look at marriage as a way to have a better life or a better relationship. For that, you only have to look to each other. That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow.
YouTube! If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life and I think it can change yours.